Hi friends, let me show you this new pet grooming and vacuum kit that I received for reviewing purposes. It is really nice. We have our pets and we are going to use them with them. We're going to use it with them, okay? You get this is the actual vacuum, okay? Let me get all the accessories. Okay, you get the user manual, of course, and you have different accessories, okay? First, let me tell you that you can use this as a regular vacuum, not only to work with your pets, but let me tell you that you can use this as a regular vacuum, okay? Not only to work with your pets, but you can get dirt and pet hair from everywhere with these accessories. This is a brush for cleaning whatever you want, okay? Okay, this is designed for the actual pet to get the hair out of pets. You'll see right now I have a pug and has a lot of hair. Okay, and these ones are aimed for, well, let me tell you, this is for the pet's nails. Okay, this will brush and fix the pet's nails. And you have all these accessories for cutting hair, okay? Depending on the size of your pet's dog. This is a grooming one, okay? It's a regular razor. And you get these hair size accessories, okay? Depending on the size of your pet's hair, you want to use these ones, okay? Let me show you how. You do it like this. So when you get the pet's hair, you cut only to this, well, to the required size, okay? See? Smaller hair or the largest hair, okay? Depending on what you want to achieve. Okay, so that's all the accessories you get, let me tell you. And you also get an accessory display tray, okay? So you can put everything here. Okay. So you have all your accessories here, ready to use them, and the actual vacuum. So let's bring the pets. So we have our pug here. She has a lot of hair. She drops a lot of hair. So we are going to comb her, okay, with this one. You could use this other one also. Now you can see the hair here, okay? And there are hair here. There is hair here, so we are going to use the regular vacuum to get all the hair that Peggy left here. Okay, has different speeds, more speed. You see, it's not like really noisy. It's really light to hold. Okay, and when you're done, you want to get the hair out. So you just have to. That's it. This is what you want to get to the trash. Okay, and that's it. Put it back, and you're ready to go again. Perfect.